Mule wanje hostin banole no yansana onanje jese asuta tetei no kwanya khumanye mu wimiriri wa club ya AFC Leopards khomu nende mikanda tofauti mikanda chawkhana no kwanya khwekitse bosi ya basupportanga timu ya AFC Leopards khumanya ndi shina shikanya khaba kholanga khonyola ukhonyi nombe khonyola khokhonya itimu khongo itimu ya AFC Leopards nuno kunende msatsa alabana khobola dira lele mwene alabana khobola dira lele mwene makhobola kholashina ahurula ena khotsirela khomanya khomanya ndi itimu ya AFC Leopards na itimu indela tsenye ni bulo ere ranga boluye berbosi alala babolanga the only unifying remaining factor mundu wanje kariba kholanga ri.
Asante wananga kumita wananga Eric Lusina Alusa aka Andimi. Nembe member wa Kayole branch kama mzee wa branch. Yes.
Kayole branch ni tse branch tsendala go tse branch mu AFC Leopards so mo gona tse branch tsitoga emia indala nation go se no banole oli ya mwana muleno shiri go bonyole branch yo sitawe wala bono henza go tse branch tsereho at least be go mo branch ne go nya go manye wala ibo go mo branch maybe Andimi no bolena
kuba mu branch bukoneka at least bukumanya ndi obe part of the family AFC Leopards na you are recognized kuri member wa AFC Leopards and there is no branch at least AFC Leopards imanye member wetu abe mundu fulani na abe ni number fulani na bamuranga fulani. That's the advantage kuba mu branch dan kuba ichobera ndio ambayo mundu wosi kuri AFC Leopards office banyara kumanya obe hayidabe. So it is always good to have a branch for recognition.
Recognition number hand of better khonyi team.
Yeah, hand of better khonyi team because no have a branch at least ile subscription pio tunga branch hiyo no siriza kuturiza then kuheya mu head office at least ekone office kurana the club. Yeah.
Andimi lwabe lohono sana abantu bola makhobo ko khonyi mu team ya AFC Leopards no mekanda menyeshe ne kholobe no mbolera hole chairperson no mbole mkhongo sinjire makhobaka welfare ngoro muluko munyimolanga muri yani bokhonyi babola bo hasyo makhobo ko bo khonya kumanye mukanda shina nomba manya mafans no manya mashabike ka AFC Leopards mipango shina tso mona tsobera mo tsebo ranje kholondo khana ne makhobo ko hasyo maraba ne ka be khonyo nomba tse project tse tsero monya go henza go manya bandu ba AFC Leopards.
Sande branch za kuvenazio ni karibu 107 na budi branch evene department ya waromba kuriyo webu hasyo yani kokona mundu nano ebudinyu ano nabe murwae yani kokona na between as brotherhood. So kuvene department ya ranga welfare which is running and I'm luckily nyasaya ingona kupita ku FC Leopards mbeka single welfare the whole FC Leopards. So that's why mbeha na nzinzi wale ku members where we are heading and kuri gena kukore in our branches na kuri gena kuhamba ne hala so that evera hisi kukona mundu nano ebudinyu in transparency.
No butunyi bumaraba kali khotsa nomba mo gona ne pango chete manya mafans ka AFC Leopards go monya go mo golama maybe go lera go chino monya investor shira kumbuka go manya go tsbanda balo ya go le banyeshe go support team ya AFC Leopards le ke no henza go gonende go go nyala go itsala la go le bendo benyala go lera at least maendele nomba go lera shintshe bandu banyala go henza go bola ndi banda bitsala la bagola go gore monya mashabiki monende mpango chose
yeah go bene mipango through because that's why kuranga welfare kuranga kutuza ibane dawe because ibane no neveza ya mariga but kuri AFC Leopards kurombani welfare na welfare members ni kutuza kuzisirinji then kuseva ku it will be akiti yenye nkubuka sijizi duchi at least kuna nakoro kumaendeleo fulani in some branches already they've started na babenezi sirinji bakora ku some developments some investments so at the end of the day members of a branch they enjoy at least some income. It is not only that kudelana mangana mariga dawe. So we are doing some investments and as a family of the Leopards kuzi up na mangana ga welfare we need members to come on board. We save at least good money and in the long run we are looking for big projects to do as a AFC family which members will gain some interest on them.
Abolanga in future yani matuko kamberia bana bana mipango melechene mipango tso go manyende nangwa ka re go support team ya AFC Leopards banyana ga go bana ga metoka tsa ba go njero go jira nombe mo tsetsa confirm me baya mo njola mo itsole nende metoka menye sana mo panje metoka menya 25 kala ga metoka chenecho no henze saka ene mulu ya go motago go korwa ni rianye rene re subitsa ba lo yende na go go
Yes, gena ngona mipanja kubanga chigira garonekana nde rokuza kuri mukubore kuzaka Kakamega naho Mombasa unara ko bene midoga karibu 4750 na nu kubisabu ene yosi unaona karibu ku spend almost 7 point something million. So since yenu kunezona kwena kubiki hala we venture into the mangana ku midoga so that when you could travel abundu hosi we just use our own means and then faide ira na kunyi because kwa konyi banda bizi sako banda batafauti sana so we are korora hambira niga kunera kuba with that nini buku kuseva sirinji then we start our own circle, we buy our own cars, insurance companies ziko or banks bandera ko kona at least we put a deposit and then bakwe midoga kunera kuba kutumikira.
Ande mi akhe khala mo FC mo lohono sana ngurua loli bobo nende kwimulire bwi club ya FC Leopards nende lienye ndetse branch ndinangwa mulama nyama kwabakenya kufana kare
sasa bando kwa chaguo nuko beka mu office for now mbene lisobera ndi kuri nekana mukutano kwa inabo mugoroba bakuwe ibokikisha kwamba ndi kuuzeni mipango then kubibale kuvena proposals baraku supporter they will talk maybe to our sponsors or any other person then so that they come in and wakusaidie vile tunaweza kuwa tunaanzisha hiyo project.
Mulisubira babo wala bamenye babo sana nde FC Leopards club yenyene de ram lokoli ibo sana lo lokoli inzinte muidako undoyo yakhabako yana no mubokoso unyala kubola rina bimirire baluya sana kholomo na go bantu bali mu position go bola makhoba munye banga musala mudavadi banga William banga malanga bari ku musakhola thuli banga marenda banga wetangola unyala go bola rina nende dienyele ri go itsala manye ma fans ke ka FC Leopards
sante FC Leopards kurondekana kunye na ndakaba mu FC Leopards for some time kumienga kadhaa na dukurinda akala bindu biziza it is the only unifying factor in Luyaland. So ndakaboye byongozi at least babekuwa hambira arabahambane no kunyi kubiki banda bahala kubiki the mashabi gosi hala and I know buhamba ni bwenibo buragira kurakora bindu at least byakola abantu bakuri chobe as a Luya nation. So ningependa kusi byongozi ambao wabe kubwami for now na wabe n'ubunari baze bakuhambanye kobe hala at least we have a proposal na kube kukora ku bindu byabandu bakora ichobe. So I welcome them, all of them.
No welcome anga no barlanganga mulango mukali sana bwala no liyo nibo monyole mwimiriri ibulu yeyo wayanze FC nomba ulanga manye FC na bondo ngela kutsera bas khoba kuitsanga on board so that ande mwena bolanga confirm anga no kumira nalala kwa kholla bende balala ai club ero ba khona khona mata tukabere khonjelo khonde kana no support team nomba kana khona support mbiro khola ba khanda khola kho investment inyala kutsera banda balo go fuana go bantu tshetoto ba ile go boli andemi murula ya mopanje mitoka la tema kala ga motsere Kakamega Kakamega muyiri baseba bachinji nabana berubolo yabanyana khola makhoba ho hosi nabanole nibo le mu branch yosi tawe urumo komondario
Nureben branch yosi dawe kubenizi branch all over the country henzo zaduza ku Facebook FC Leopards uranora I branch all over the western the Nairobi is the majority kubena western kubena Nyanza kubena Mombasa all over wherever you are kube even abroad kuna America kuna Canada wherever you are just join the branch ambaye behimbi nibi so that kugende hala. Yes.
Nokomala kabisa nomala mashabiki FC.
Mashabiki FC kusupport team uyu mwana tu gena kumbirukiza. Na kumbirukiza nukumbela abe hala na kumguide kuri gena ko bekuza hambira. Good things hapo mbele na mbilibandi nyasara ko kona kura win league. Sande.
Awala nasara ko kona kura win league na datu nadara ko kona mangana genago bora no bore branch dabe kamara kuma murogori no bore branch dabe okorokana mangana genago wizimo branch so that karibo gende ko halla na bando warusha kumanda ko genda kuri khofana khori khangara shmoleru ko chenda khori khofana khori ko skarula bono ko yola ko bolla tv ko bana boloya hose no banole no yansana unange jesa asuta tei banda baida ko east bananganga mwana mochebe nempola ngo balala ko support team iro AFC Leopards muluya wosul ko yo nibo monyo ko position ende sana babala influential position para mo bank musala mo dabadi this is the right time to support team iro go manya go gola hore go nyela go hongola na bene nibo go lokomera nalala manya banda baloya go manye go tsa gore go rola moitogole Mombasa no ya sana Jesse Asutsa Tetei.